In this video, you will learn how to enable social media login for visitors on your Wix website with the Social Login app. Start by adding the Social Login app to your Wix site. Continue adding the app to activate social login features. Add the *login* widget to give users access to sign in with social accounts. Publish your site so visitors can use the new social login option. Preview your live site to verify the social login integration. Test the login feature as a website visitor.